Hi, this is Craig from Optologic. I want to show you how to use the downloadable Anura template documentation file. First thing I want to point out is that all the tables in Anura are located in this Excel file, all in different worksheet tabs. The left side of your screen shows all the column names within the table that you're identified, as well as a few features about each column, including whether or not that data is required. If that data is required based on something else you've entered, an explanation about what that field is for and the data types that you use it for. And then lastly, is there a default value that's already put in there if you leave it blank? The last two columns are about Neo and Throg supported. Neo is for our mixed integer programming language. Throg is for our simulation. Last thing I want to point out is there may be a few tables in here that are not formatted to your liking in Excel. If so, please go through and edit them to make them more visible for you. I have found that the explanation column is the easiest one to mess with. I like to wrap text on that file and then change the column width to a width of 60. All right, hope this gets you going. Thanks a lot. As always, if you have any questions, please contact support@optologic.com. If you need more information, please review docs.optologic.com, and happy modeling.